How to use 1Password. 1Password tutorial. 1Password's proven dual key encryption protects our logins, payment cards, and more. We can use 1Password for our family and business as well. The link will be given in the description down below. You can actually sign up with the link and you will get a free trial. With 1Password, we have personal and family pricing plan available. So we will be getting just $2.99 USD per month if billed annually. Then we have one for families, which is going to be $499 per month for 5 family members if billed annually. Then we also have a Teams and Business available on 1Password. So this is really good for large businesses. We have a starter pack for just 19.95 USD per month if billed annually. And then there is a business available for just $7.99 per user monthly. So here we have the pricing plan for 1Password. You can choose the plan of your choice. Click on try free for 14 days and you will get a free trial. After the initial sign up or sign into your 1Password, this is where you will land. You can see this is my main dashboard. So we have our home here, then we have invitations. This is where I can invite different team members. To invite someone, you will click on this plus button right here and you just have to enter their email address here. I have actually chosen 1Password for Teams so I can invite team members and guests as well. Enter the email address, click on invite and an invitation will be sent to them. On this side of the screen, you will be able to see we have dashboard, people, invitations, group, vault, integration, billing, and setting. So the first thing you need to do is go to your 1Password settings. Here you will be able to select your account name. You can select your logo, enter your information. And here you can select your account type and delete your account as well. So you will do all the settings here. You will also be able to find your 1Password email here. What we're going to do is we will invite people and then we will create vaults. How it works on 1Password is that I can create different vaults for different purposes. And each vault can have my different social media passwords. It can have my cards, my documents, everything I want to add. So let's create a new vault. For that, we're going to hit new vault. Here we have some of these suggestions available on 1Password. We can create one vault for operations where I can add my shipping accounts, I can add my receipts and more. Then we have one for finance where I can add my credit cards, my account passwords. Then one we have for security. This is where I can add my simple passwords. Then we have one for VPN logins and database details. We can create one for HR where I can add my employee record, and then we have social where I can add my social media account and passwords. I'm gonna go with social and I'm gonna create the first vault for my social media password. Once the vault is created on 1Password, we will be able to edit the details here. We have view vault, import data, and more action. It's showing me the people that I have here. It will also allow me to add different managers and administrators to my vault. What we're gonna do is view vault and it will show me the different social media or cards that I have. Here we have different categories. We have identities, credit card, login, and secure notes. So I'm going to select the first category, which is going to be login, and I'm going to hit plus. And here again, we have different categories that we can go for. I can now add my login information in my 1Password. We can add our secure note, credit card, identity, password, documents, medical records, password, and more. So for me, it's a simple login information that I'm going for. I want to add my Facebook login. And now we can create a username. So I'm going to enter my Facebook username. Then we can enter the website. This is where I will enter my Facebook ID web address. Then we can also select a section here and add a new label too. So we can create different labels right here within our 1Password so that we can organize our passwords better. So you can see in labels, I can go with address, email, URL, and more. So I'm going to go with URL here. Now add the URL. Similarly, I can create one for email. I can add emails here. Once you have added these sections, we can also add different notes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write some notes for Facebook. We can also create different tags and then we will be able to see our last modified and created date. Click on save and a new information will be saved within your vault. I will also be able to see my archived right here at the bottom and then we have view recently deleted. So this way I will now add different socials here. If I want to create a new vault, I can just go back and create one more. And I can also keep this vault private or shared. So I'm going to keep this one private to myself. So once a vault is created, now we can get back to our main dashboard. We can create more vaults. 1Password people. After dashboard and vaults, we have people available on 1Password. Here, I can invite different people to my 1Password. So you will click on invite people, enter their email address, and you will be able to add them. 1Password groups. We have a groups option available in 1Password. I can create different groups such as in administrators, owners, and team members. This will allow me to organize my 1Password. Integrations. When it comes to 1Password, I can add different integrations such as Slack, fast email, privacy.com. I can add different integrations and create automations on 1Password. We can add Slack, we have Fastmail, then we have privacy.com, and more integrations that we can add to customize our 1Password experience. How to add 1Password extension. If you're using Chrome, we can add an extension of 1Password. So for that, we're going to go to Chrome Web Store, and here we're going to search for 1Password. The link will be given in the description down below as well. You can click on the link and it will take you to 1Password and you can download the extension. So you can see this is the one. I'm going to select it. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Once the extension is added, you can also pin it. This is how you will be able to access 1Password anytime you want, and it will help you remember your information and secure all of your data and documents. You can also check out another video on the channel. The link will be given in the description down below. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel.